Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video I will show you how to fix verification failed. This Apple ID is not active on your iPhone. First of all, subscribe to my YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get new tech videos. Now let's start the video. Method 1. Reset Apple ID password. Open the setting app on your iPhone. On the setting page, tap Apple ID name. On the Apple ID page, tap Password and Security. Tap on Change Password. Enter your phone password. Add a new password and verify password. Click on Change Password. Method number 2. Turn off and on Wi-Fi. Open the setting app on your iPhone. On the setting page, tap on Wi-Fi. On the Wi-Fi page, turn off Wi-Fi. Then wait for few seconds and turn on back. Method number 3. Restart your iPhone. Open the setting app on your iPhone. On the setting page, scroll down, tap on General. On the General page, scroll down, tap Shutdown. Now slide to power off and turn off your device. Then wait for few seconds and turn on back. Enter your phone passcode. Method number 4. Check for software update. Open the setting app on your iPhone. On the setting page, scroll down, tap on General. On the General page, tap Software Update. Software update is available. Tap Download and install to upgrade the iOS. Thanks for watching this video.